Okay, I want to make it clear. I don't hate Bumblebee. I just don't see him as the be-all, end-all amazing face of the franchise that others see him as. There are some iterations of Bumblebee that I really like. Animated Bumblebee is great. He kinda grew on me in Transformers Prime. And as a kid, I of course liked him in G1. But I never saw him as the main guy, really. Part of my problem with Bumblebee definitely stems from the live-action movies and their respective toy lines. Too many times I would go to the store to look for a character or figure I wanted, and there would just be a sea of movie Bumblebees clogging the shelves, blocking any chance of finding other products. I also feel that with Bumblebee's fame as a solo star, he kinda left all the other mini-bots to rot. This has certainly changed in recent years, though, as we have started to see so many more of the lesser-known characters get the spotlight. And now with the release of the Studio Series 86 Bumblebee, I may be starting to like the little bugger again. Though, Goldbug is still superior.
Why am I here again?
To tell the viewers about channel memberships.
What about them?
It's as little as $1 a month to support the channel.
Oh, yeah, sounds great.
So, can you tell them that, please?
No.
Why not?
Because you just did.
Studio Series 86 Bumblebee is, well, I won't lie, this is a fantastic little figure. It hits home in quite a few ways for me when it comes to Bumblebee. First off, the silhouette is pretty spot on to my memories of the G1 cartoon and movie. Everything from the head sculpt, the barrel chest, the giant feet, it just nails it. I especially love the blocky shoulders tapering off to the cylindrical biceps, leading back into the yellow boxy forearms. There's just something so G1 about that particular look that I really like. Where the toy misses a bit is on the backpack, as he doesn't have the trademark spare tire, but instead we get a little slot to store his weapon when not in use, so it's okay. When I first saw pictures of this toy, I thought I wouldn't need it as I have the Netflix Bee. But honestly, this figure is much more faithful to the Bumblebee you watched on screen in bot mode than the War for Cybertron version. I have long felt that that design is better suited for Goldbug, and now I have two different fantastic molds to represent them both respectively. Transforming Studio Series 86 Bumblebee is a treat. This persistent pest flips and twists in the cleverest of ways to compress into an even tinier vehicle mode that is almost, but not quite entirely, unlike a Volkswagen Beetle, which honestly works great. Because Bumblebee was always more of a deformed Beetle, rather than an actual one-to-one Beetle. The vehicle mode has some ups and downs. The biggest up for me, personally, is the nostalgic color scheme. Yes, it's yellow and black, just like any other Bumblebee, but it's the way it's yellow and black that tickles me. See, I never had the actual G1 Bumblebee growing up. I had the Pretender Bumblebee. More specifically, I had the Kmart Legends Bumblebee. Same toy, sand shell. And the colors on this version just strike me as reminiscent of it. I know it's silly, but hey, I'm really trying to like a Bumblebee here, so cut me some slack. The downside would have to be the painted yellow frame around the windshield. It was molded in black plastic, and it clearly needed a few more coats of paint. This is sadly a common problem with yellow characters. They never seem to get the color matching quite right. But it's honestly a minor quibble. This is a pretty damn good toy. I've always had a fondness for the Minibots and Throttlebots, so it's been really cool to see so many return in the last few years. Some of the best figures we've gotten have been Minibot characters lately, and this Bumblebee is definitely one of the best designs yet.
Pow! Transform! Hold up there, citizen. You're not thinking of watching this whole video and moving on without hitting the like button, are you? And I see you're not subscribed. That's a clear violation of code 42-1701C. Loser! Whoa! Well, it looks like you're getting off with a warning this time because I need to go stop that crazy con. Make sure you like and subscribe.